Hello friends. So let us just go in depth with macros and see a few more examples. So I'll just read out the code that I have written on the board. As usual, my program begins by saying hash include stdio.h. In the second line I have written hash define multiply, which takes two parameters a and b, and that whole expression should be replaced by a star b. That's my requirement. So I have written it as hash define multiply of a comma b followed by a star b. After that I begin my main function by saying int main, and the comment line, just forget about it for now. I have written the printf statement as follows: printf %d multiply of 2 plus 3 comma 3 plus 5. In other words, a is 2 plus 3, b is 3 plus 5. So, what is the answer? What does a statement print? When you take a pen and paper and calculate it, some of them may say the output is 16. Some of them may say the output is 40. So, this is where the comment line comes in. Anyway, the macro, there's no calculation that is done inside a macro. Whatever you have given as parameters, it will replace it. There is no calculation that goes on within a macro. In other words, I have shown after pre-processing how the main function would look. I have shown how the printf would look. I have shown in the blue ink. And so multiply of 2 plus 3 comma 3 plus 5, that would get expanded as 2 plus 3 star 3 plus 5 and not as 5 star 8, because there is no calculation going on. Macros means direct substitution. That was one point that I want you to be very clear on. Anyway, after this, calculating that shouldn't be a problem. It is just applying BODMAS rule, that is brackets and then multiplication and then division and then addition and subtraction. That's the precedence order. Anyway, you would probably have learnt it in high school, that calculating it to be 16, that shouldn't be a problem. So the only thing that you should remember here is macros will not calculate anything. However you have given the input as, it will just expand it and place it here. Macros is not actually a calculating device. However, whatever you want to expand it, it will just replace the macro name with the corresponding body. And so the output for this given program, as I have written, 2 plus 9 plus 5, 2 plus, it would be 16, of course. So it would print 16. Anyway, you were actually pretty clear with my last example on macros of increment. The name of the macro was increment. I hope after seeing this example, the concept of macros has become completely clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.